let it bang, bang.
Hello friends! Today I am going to take you to the walking tour of Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is an incredible and stunning man-made marvel. The building itself cannot be reviewed as it is such a magnificent building. However, it is absolutely true to its name and fame. This is an experience which can only be felt. After booking our tickets, we discovered there are multiple ways of booking tickets and perhaps finding deals. Platinum List, Groupon, and then there are deals on their website too. Do check before booking for the best deal. It is crowded at almost all times and takes about 45 minutes from entry to get to the top. Elevator speed was 10 meters a second. 3 different lifts are there for taking us from bottom to the top, and a beautiful view in daylight. I would recommend to go there at 4 p.m. Then the light and fountain show starts at 6 p.m. when you are finished and down. Pictures simply do not do this building justice. You must experience it in person. Entry ticket of Burj Khalifa. Children below the age of 12 years are charged the price of Rs 32,222.25, and adults are charged the cost of Rs 3980.42 at the top level and Rs 9951.06 at the top sky level. For an immediate entry at the top, there is no entrance fee for infants. So enjoy the complete tour of Burj Khalifa. And do like this video and subscribe my channel.